I was going to ask, anong gagawin mo sa pera sa nagnalo mo? Pero, bawal yan.
Bakit?
Ha?
Bawal itanong yun?
Oo.
Bakit?
Paglabas mo dito.
Kasi alam ko sa Roblox, or sabi ni Paco,
talaga?
Paco at Carlo, bawal yan.
Oo.
Kasi sinabi na yun, promise.
Hindi ko alam yun, ah.
Pero tingnan na natin, gusto mo pa ako, after this, gusto pa kita.
Shopping.
Shopping yan! Ay, isang word, bawal.
Bawal yan.
Panarin mo ito, shopping.
Hindi. Paglabas ko, mag-shopping ako.
Ay,
Sinabi, gamit ng
Pero,
pera.
hindi
yan.
girlfriend.
Diba? Oo pa nga.
Ang voice ko wala na. Sakit.
Oh, siyempre.
Wala ka naman talagang voice eh.
Hindi sa...
Ay, meron ng kiliti ka?
Ha?
Meron ng kiliti ka?
Oo.
Saan?
Bakit?
Tanong lang.
Hindi ko alam. Depende kasi pag dahan-dahan.
Ah.
Biglaan or whatever. I don't know.
If you're gonna cheat, might as well break up with the person.
Hindi, parang, not cheap. Parang if we have problems, might as well, makikita natin eh.
Ano pa bang tanong?
Yung parang, for example,
Ilang beses ka na nalasing?
nakapag-break sa atin,
Nalas.
ganyan lang kaliit na bagay. Hindi naman talaga siya, I mean, malaki siya
Outside
bagay,
of,
pero
outside
dapat
of, oh, siguro outside
yung mga
PBB.
level na
Saan?
Dito? Nalasing ka na dito?
konting bagay.
So, siguro,
Masakit siya.
sobrang
mawawala.
lasing, chemist. Dalawang beses siguro.
Palang?
Kasi, sa isang, oh my gosh, grabe. Nag-inom ko, ang friends ko, nagsabi ang friends ko, oy, this is the way that he's gonna learn. Just keep giving him so. And then I went outside, and siguro hindi sobrang mabuti yan kasi when air hits you, that's when you really feel it, outside air. So, but it was so bad. And then I walked onto the driveway and I just laid on the ground. I was like, and then my friends had to help me into the room. And they helped me into my room, and I was just throwing up. And then, nung gising ko,
Nung nagising ako.
lasing pa.
Nakalimutan mo na?
Huh?
You don't remember?
I remember, pero